Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're at the exciting Kite Fly 2026 event at Frontier Sports Complex. The sky is filled with colorful kites. There's live music, delicious food trucks, fun games, and lots of family activities. Let's get started.
Yes, you did it. Yes. Wait. Sarah is playing. Yes. Yes. Good job.
Extra pink. Cool, you got a beach ball.
Happy sad. You want to
Sarah, now your turn. Sarah, just once. So thank you. Okay, go.
Oh, there you go. Another backpack. Here you go. Uzi. Yeah.
Sarah, take that one. Take that one. Okay? Okay. Now another one. It's okay.
Try this right on the rim. Whoa.
Yes, you did it. You did it.
You want to pick out a prize?
Yes, you did it.
Or inside, Mama. There you go.
Sunglasses.
Sarah, go take the sunglasses.
There you go. Hey. You want a passport? Okay, so what you're gonna do here? Hola, mami.
Ya fueron a Argentina.
Sarah, come. Show your passport.
Oh, you got it.
Inside frog
Just
mouth.
throw it. Yes, okay. The other one.
Sarah, inside frog mouth.
No, you gotta throw it. That's cheating. Just throw it.
Sarah, come.
Okay, grab one candy. Just one, please.
One candy and come.
Muy bien. Uno, dos,
Oh, wow.
tres. Suéltalo.
Leave it, Sarah.
Suéltalo.
Leave her.
Sí.
Sarah, done. Come to next one.
Oh, hello.
So thank you.
From experience, I know that will happen.
Okay. It's okay, Sarah.
No?
Okay, Sarah, go get the gift.
I can give
Take
you.
a bracelet.
I can take you. I can give you.
No, it's fine.
You're good with the bracelet. There
Yeah.
we go.
So thank you. Come.
Oh, some school.
3 lines
Nice, Sarah.
Wow, you're pretty sick.
is this.
Thank you. What? Okay.
You take all of these, put them here.
It's okay.
Oh, not good. Make sure it's spinning while you
I try one more time. Sarah, hold it and go to next one. Next station. This page you can put.
It's a little hard.
It's okay. Okay. Take your passport and go to next one. Cricket. Sarah.
After she's done.
Oh, wow.
And then you can try the ring toss.
Okay, now try. 1. Good job. So thank you. Oh wow, Sierra. Wow, Sierra, see, everyone is flying kite. Are you feeling hot? Come, Sierra. Don't stamp on anyone's kite, okay? You like this fan? Yeah.
That's Catalan.
Oh, there is a frog. You saw that frog?
I like that the butterfly.
Yeah, there is a butterfly, turtle, frog. Wow.
See, they tied up a...
You focus on your kite. If you lose focus, it will fly away.
It's coming down now.
Sierra, where is your kite? It's a dragon.
What the heck?
Is that it?
I'm the best gymnast. Mine is look, Andy, there's a long one. Thanks for watching our Kite Fly 2026 adventure. We hope you enjoyed the colorful kites and all the fun-filled activities. The weather was perfect for kite flying, making it easy for everyone to get their kites soaring high in the sky. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know your favorite moment in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next adventure.